Okay, we're outside, we're heading, so this is day 6 quarantine. Totally lost my mind this morning. A bee flew onto my deck with a broken wing and sadly passed away in my room because I picked him up and tried to help him, but he wasn't going to make it. And I had a Tom Hanks Wilson moment where I basically lost the plot completely and had a big cry about Wilson the bee. And I have Wilson with me. We're going to go and bury him under a tree. But it was quite something. It really was quite something. It just shows that isolation can play havoc with your mind and with your everything. Now then, I was going to bury him under the tree. I think I'm going to have to do it over there because people might step on him. Oh no, if I put him, hang on a minute, I'll put him in the tree roots because then he'll have a good, there you go little bee, you go in the tree roots. Oh come on, off you go. We'll shove him down the roots. Goodbye little bee, go well. It was nice knowing you. See, there you go. Oh dear. Very sad day. Day 6 in quarantine. Yeah. It's okay. I'm going home in I'm going home in 4 days. So that will be good. Okay, bye bye.